the more that conversations transpire, the more you realize that people need to take their ass on somewhere, keep that drama over there, okay? And I do me over here, and I raise my child over here. You gonna help mama cook? You gonna help mama cook, baby? Yeah? Uh-huh.
Just It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's and you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Asia Kingdom and it's all a bluff.
So I decided that I'm going to give myself a little facial, you know what I'm saying? A little facial, a little wake me up, a little pick me up, okay? So I have migrated my robes to being right here. I have all of my clothes in here officially now. I also have a closet right there as well. So it's just a big walk-in closet at this point, basically, more so than anything else. Even though I'm gonna wear makeup, I am going to try to brighten up my skin a little bit and give myself a nice little, you know, glow. You know what I'm saying? Well, you guys, I'm going to talk about this super quickly. So this is the Vanish Bacne Blaster, you guys. And I will be taking a shower with this tonight. Scrub. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to tell you guys how this works, because this is actually my first time officially trying it. It smells like peppermint, so like refreshing. Y'all know how peppermint gives you like that whoo. That's what just happened. So I can definitely feel this like relaxing me. Oftentimes when I get in the shower, I love putting peppermint essential oil like on the floor of the tub, because you guys, it gives you like that extra oomph, that extra wake me up. Okay, it opens up everything in this area so that you can just like breathe. Okay, and I think my camera is having a hard time focusing on my face. It's focusing on everything but my face. Don't mind my hair. I'm more than likely going to sit under the dryer. I stopped sitting under the dryer when I got pregnant, but I forget I'm not pregnant anymore, so I can sit under the dryer. Okay, if you are interested in anything Vanish, you can use my code Mattie to save $5 off any purchase of $50 or more, and you can get your glow on, girlfriend. Okay, because Vanish is gonna get you all the way together. Okay, so now I am going to tone my face. I'm going to use Quinn's Witch Hazel to do that, and this is it right here. Get off any extra dirt. Witch Hazel is just all around a great product though. It helps to keep down acne as well. Alright y'all, so I am going to steam my face. I'm using my facial steamer. This is from Amazon. If you don't have one of these, definitely get one. It just helps to elevate the spa experience to the next level. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this up and I'm going to get it started. Okay.
The way that I'm feeling when I'm with you, you are weighing me down.
Hey Glam fam,
What's wrong with you, little girl? What's wrong with you, little girl?
now she's smiling and crying at the same time. Ridiculous. Come here, baby. So y'all, I have been moving and grooving today. I've been in mommy mode, just getting stuff done. Okay, you know you have to get stuff done when you can get stuff done when you're a mama. Ain't that right? Sometimes she don't really be wanting her milk, y'all, so she'll drink it super duper fast. And I'm like, girl, you don't want this milk, do you? You don't want it. But you gonna cry for it anyway. You don't want it though. Here. So I had to film a try on haul. I have quite a bit of things that I have to get done. So I'm about to try to do that. I have been just doing what I do. I cooked today. I made some barbecue chicken and some fries, and I've just been trying to get as much done as possible. Now I did have a comment that I wanted to talk about. I'm not sure if I'll talk about that in this video or not. I may do like a separate video on it. What you talking about? You said you comment, mama. I may or may not be doing a life update soon. I don't know, y'all. Like, I value privacy, and this is something that I want to say in this video. This is what I am going to say in this video. The ironic part about me sharing my pregnancy, because there's really nothing too personal about me on the internet. The ironic part about me sharing my pregnancy is like people feel like they know everything about my life. And I'm sorry, but if I vlog for 15 minutes out of a day, that does not mean that you know everything about my life, okay? The deepest, darkest secrets about me are not on the internet. Hate to break it to a lot of y'all, but they're not on the internet. So it's so funny when people come under my video with the Twitter fingers. Are Twitter fingers still a thing? I know Twitter's gone, but they come under the video with the Twitter fingers, acting as if they know everything and that they know my whole life story. And I'm like, wait a minute, cuz, like, you don't even know me. You don't know me. Talking about some, oh y'all, why do YouTubers or whatever the hell become single moms? I'm like, baby, who said I was a single mom? Like, that's, I promise y'all, that's one of the things about being a YouTuber. I think people assume stuff more so than anything else. When is the last time that you've heard me say that I was a single mom? Let me know that, okay? I will tell y'all this. There are 3 people that know me through and through. 3 people, and I'll name them for you. Number 1, my mom. Bingo. Number 2, my dad. Bingo. Number 3, her dad. Y'all be funny. Like, y'all be pushing it. Okay, you be pushing it. And you know what's so funny? This is what I tell people. The reason why my life is so confusing to a lot of people is because it's not your damn business. You are a full-grown man on a video about girdles talking about traditional marriage. I'm pretty sure your mom was a single mom, since we're talking about single moms. And guess what? Let me also say this. To any woman that is a single mom, I'm pretty sure that she didn't sign up to be a single mom. I'm pretty sure that she didn't go into it thinking, hey, I'm going to be a single mom, and I just know for a fact that I'm going to be a single mom. Y'all have to stop with the madness, okay? Y'all have to stop with the assumptions, because at the end of the day, even if I post a 15-minute video of my life, you'll still never know my whole entire life from beginning to end, what occurred that day, what I woke up and did as soon as I got up that morning. All you know is what's transpired on camera from the moment that I picked up that camera. What happened after I put the camera down, you don't know. Hell, a lot of times I don't even know after I put the camera down. I just be living my life, and when I post a video, I post a video. I couldn't tell you what happened after that video was filmed my damn self. So y'all, stop the madness, okay? It's okay to not know somebody's whole life story. It's okay to not know if I'm a single mom. It's not your business. And let me tell you something. I'll never be a single mom. My child will never hurt for anything. Honey, I'll go twirl around a pole. I'll go twirl around a pole. Okay? If need be, in order to feed this one. Happily. She ain't never gonna go without. She ain't never gonna be without. So, at the end of the day, when it all boils down, what matters is that my child is taken care of. And this is why towards the end of my pregnancy, I had to cut off nosy ass family members, okay? Nosy ass family members. Yes, the more that conversations transpire, the more you realize that people need to take their ass on somewhere, keep that drama over there, okay? And I do me over here, and I raise my child over here, because the conversations that y'all have about people that y'all supposedly love, which is also based on assumption, because my auntie don't know a damn thing about me either, and I don't know a damn thing about her either, besides the fact that she just talked too much. So I have learned to snip people, okay? To snip people. I have learned to just alleviate myself of people, especially nosy people. You know, if you're around to be a support system, be around to be a support system. Be around to be someone that's, you know, beneficial to my life, beneficial to my daughter. But if you're not those things, You can get the hell out of my way, out of my face, okay? No, nobody will ever know anything personal about me, especially not on the internet. I'm not gonna come on here and report my whole life story. Like, you're crazy if you think. But yeah, y'all gonna learn, honey. Okay, y'all gonna learn about all of this, okay? Because a lot of people tend to do that. And baby, when I find out who's doing this, I'm cutting off the person that's doing this and the person that told me, whether it's true, whether it's false, whether it's whatever. Most of the time it's false, because like I said, it's only 3 people that know personal information about me. Anything else is a moot point, been a moot point, and gonna continue to be a moot point. Which is why it's a mute point, because it ain't in my life no more. So y'all, I finally got little Miss Royal to go to sleep for a little while. So I was like, let me go ahead and end off the vlog, okay? Because I don't know any other time that I'm gonna find time to end off the vlog, okay? So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that y'all tune in tomorrow, because I think I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow as well. Did not want to rest today, so I did not get as much work done as I planned on doing. I really only got to do this vlog, and I got to, that's pretty much it. So I didn't get to do much, you guys, or at least not as much. Oh, she's starting up again. Okay y'all, bye. I'm ending off the vlog. I'm going to take care of my baby because she's so tired of mommy working. Okay.